Hello, welcome to Sawmill Auto. My name is Tony. We have over 300 vehicles in stock. Right now I'm going to show you a 2017 Ford F150. Right now I'm going to show you the F150 Platinum Edition. This vehicle is fully loaded. Whatever you can think of, this vehicle has. Has leather interior, has Bluetooth, panoramic sunroof, is a crew cab, so you can sit 5 passengers in this vehicle. Also has a backup camera, GPS. Like I said, whatever you can think of, this vehicle has. This F150 Platinum Edition has a 6-foot bed, a power tailgate, and let me show you the cool thing about it. It has an integrated step. If you're interested in this vehicle, my name is Tony. Please visit us at 12 Worth Street, Yonkers, New York. Remember, salvage means savings.
Sawmill Auto, located at 12 Worth Street, Yonkers, New York.